Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up a lot of wings on the Chargriller 980. Oh hell yeah, we're loading this damn thing up. We're smoking them at about 275, and then at the end we're cranking it up and we're gonna sear off that skin, make it crispy. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
They been fucking with each other, they ain't playing with me. Boys that wish that they were brothers ain't related to me. I'm the motherfucking man of the man. Way off. Way off with the trouble, boy. Way off. I'm that motherfucker. You were just a mouse, boy. And I'm right. I'm out in California and I'm living my life. For real, I tried to warn you, but I didn't.
The internal temp is just right. We rotated and that skin is getting crispy. We're gonna pull it. We're doing it 3 ways. Oh hell yeah. With the Kosmos OPX-1 BBQ Sauce, and then we're doing Kosmos Buffalo Wing Dust and Kosmos Salt and Vinegar Wing Dust. Oh hell yeah, check this out.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Pulling the wings in 1 minute. Oh hell yeah. Woo-hoo. Some new flavors to try. Oh hell yeah. The OPX-1. Oh hell yeah. Ooh. I tell you what, the smell of these guys, that's the secret winner, I think. Oh, hell yeah. Time for the taste test. Oh, hell yeah. I'm going with these salt and vinegar ones first. Oh. Dude, that's something. Try the barbecue sauce. Oh, man. Man. It's like hanging out summer barbecue. Let's wash the palate. The one I'm super excited for, buffalo. Pretty damn good. Oh man. Oh.
I said give me a hell yeah.
When that starts kicking in, oh hell yeah. It's got some kick. Wow. Salt and vinegar. That was amazing. Buffalo, first couple bites. Now it's kicking in. That, oh, so good. God damn, Cosmo. Rocking it, brother. That's a toss-up, man. As long as you got both, devour them all. Oh, yeah, hell yeah. They're both so damn good. The barbecue sauce one, I've had so much barbecue chicken in my life, so I guess it doesn't stand out as much. But those two, the wing dust, whew, hands down, some of the best wings I've ever had. I love them. They're delicious. And salt and vinegar, because it's so different. Never had salt and vinegar wings before. They're standing out as number one. Those buffalo ones, man, they're 9.9 out of 10. Damn straight, badass, awesome wings. Can't go wrong. Go get yourself some of this wing dust. You're gonna make your entire family happy.
Give me a hell yeah.
Ooh. Woo-hoo. Damn straight. Whew. Damn. Phew.